Hey everybody, this is Zarah again with Watercolor Wizardry, where we're currently building the Academy from the ground up. And today I'm giving you the lay of the land of all of our live streams. Actually, it's all the different ways I go live. So let's see. Why do I go live stream? I love live streams. My favorite platform actually is Twitch for live streams. My Twitch streams are not set up because I'm not consistent and I there's so much to learn with all the different platforms. But watching other people's streams, Twitch is my favorite. They really have it down. That's my favorite platform. Okay, anyway, so yeah, let's break down the schedule. Okay, so live streams for everybody on the planet. My favorite to show up on is on YouTube, although I will be on Twitch, X, LinkedIn, if you can imagine. Where else? Kick, Facebook. Yeah, Facebook page anyway. And I think that's it. Maybe a couple other platforms that I'm not remembering. So we're going to be there. And it is Watercolor Wizardry Wednesday paint-alongs. So it's every Wednesday, 3:30 to 4:30 p.m. Pacific time. YouTube is my favorite because I can chat easily, or I use Restream to multi-stream, and I feel like they're best set up with YouTube. So that's the place I recommend watching me. Plus, it helps me with the algorithm gods, on YouTube. So yeah, this is a everyone public worldwide live stream every Wednesday. So the vibe will be chill. It's whatever I'm working on, and I'll talk about whatever's on my mind. It's the same for every live stream pretty much. Except for in Academy, I'm much more focused on actually talking about. I go into teaching mode, even though I try to not talk and just paint. When the camera is on, I feel like I need to entertain the other side. I don't know. I'll get better at things. Okay, so next on the schedule would be the creator community on Kajabi. This is everybody that's ever gotten in contact with me, signed up for anything. So it could be people from Business Wizardry, it could be people from Watercolor Wizardry, or Creator Vodcast. So it's just everybody together in one big family, and it's the creator community. And for that group, it's on Sundays, and it's no, it's not. It's Saturdays. What? It's on Saturdays, and Saturdays 3:30 to 4:30 p.m. And it's the Saturday Studio weekly hangout. And then, yeah, so that's on the creator community in Kajabi. If you've ever connected with me in some way, shape, or form, and then you have a membership in creator community. Let's see. You would be able to log in and find out if you go to watercolorwizardry.com or zarahmcintosh.art. That'll get you there too, and log in. And if you forgot your password, set it up that way. Yeah, so that'll be Saturdays. So that'll be more of the private, a little bit private, more private versus the whole world. And then let's see. And then the private group, Watercolor Wizardry Academy. This group gets me right now scheduled every day. So I've scheduled it for every morning Pacific time, 8:30 to 9:30. Flexible start, of course. Usually I'm on earlier, and then I stay later if it makes sense. But usually by that time I need to go do something else or something. Okay. Like the bathroom, All right, so that'll be inside the community for the Academy, also on Kajabi. So that'll be for the private group in the Academy. So yeah, that's just an easygoing live stream. It's not a, official workshop or anything like that, but I kind of get it. You can ask me anything, ask me what I'm doing as I'm doing it. But my goal in all of these streams right now is to complete the pair, just get the lessons going. So replays on YouTube, yep, they keep replays of all the live streams. For creator community, you'll see it in the meetup events, all the past meetups. And then for Academy, it'll be under meetup events for Watercolor Wizardry Academy. Yeah, so that's what I did today, kind of organized my brain on all of the different schedules. And so I apologize for everybody that's in my, world, because you probably got a couple emails about cancels and reschedules and stuff today. I'm sorry, but it's settled now, for now. So hopefully this will be the schedule ongoing. Obviously it might change. So yeah, you'll always have replays of the live stream. So you don't have to show up live. You can always, rewatch if you want, or scan through, whatever you want. So yeah, so the schedule's pretty set, but it's always going to be evolving. And right now, this one feels good. I'm committed to showing up, even though it's imperfect. I'm going to try my best to show up all the time. Granted, the daily for the Academy, I already know, life happens. Okay, so just know that I'm trying my best to show up all the time. So, but yeah, I'm pretty sure I'll have to, skip out once in a while, just because I already know my life is kind of unpredictable. So, but I'll keep showing up even though it's messy. So yeah, if you want to be a part of actually learning watercolor in a more focused way, join the Academy. It's in beta right now, so it's pretty bare, but it's the lowest price that you can get in. And yeah, we're building the workshops. It's focused on hyper-realistic right now. Yeah, and once you get in, your rate is locked. So as long as your membership stays active, it won't go up for you. But once we relaunch, it's gonna, the price will always increase every time we relaunch it. So yeah, right now it's open, and it'll stay open until the seats are filled or lessons get built. All right, so that's all I wanted to say. This has already gone longer than planned. I only wanted 5 minutes. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later. I will see you on a live stream. All right, soon. Talk to you later. Bye.